Greetings and salutations. This is Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you're tuning into this video. Why? Because this is a great tip and trick for your storage. I've been drooling over this storage unit, and where is it from? You probably saw from the thumbnail. It is from the famous Art Dot. That is correct. I finally bit the bullet and ordered it. It is a storage unit for your diamond painting drills, and it has a cute little tray on top that you can keep scissors, you can keep your trays, you can keep your glue up there, whatever you feel like needs to be at your easiest convenience to grab. So I'm going to turn this camera around. We're going to open the box together and we're going to drool and successfully see how many drills fit in each one of these containers. So, I'll see you in just a few seconds. I'm so glad that you guys are still here as we flip the camera around. I didn't lose you, but this is the package I was talking about from Art Dot. We're going to dive in. I am so excited. I can't wait to get inside. I have been wanting a storage solution for months that's like this. I have lots and lots of special drills for my diamond paintings. But also, if you don't diamond paint, this is hopefully a good storage solution for you for other things. I do have the link down below if you like what you see. Okay, some of this out of the way. Another box. All right, so this is what, oops, that's upside down. This is what it looks like. So it has two drawers and then it has a container thing to hold up here, which I'm so super excited because over here on my left, I have a ton of stuff everywhere and I just need a place to put it. So we're going to open this. As you can see, it comes in a box and it was in a box. So I'm hoping with all the packaging that you're going to get a beautiful product. So what is this yellow sheet? This is labels. So you can put the labels. This looks like it's a funnel. Let me open it. So this is a silicone funnel that you can lay flat and you can pull out. And this, I think you can pour your drills in, and then this part down here goes in the storage. And then it also is supposed to lay flat. Yes. So there you go. Goes back into flat mode. Come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. Don't make me a liar. There you go. So it goes back into a flat mode. All right. Right here. Storage. You can purchase these without the containers. So I do have a lot of my own containers. So if you don't want containers, you can purchase it without. But let's open it up. Okay, so this, I didn't realize, is a silicone pole. And there's your containers. And, oh, that's nice. It can come out. And here's your containers here. I think in shipping, yep, one of the containers is being silly. It's sitting on top of another container, which hopefully it's not going to be shipping around on your desk. There we go. So one of the lids was off and it was sitting on top of a lid. Okay, so let's put these all back in. While we're doing that, we're going to take a closer look at the container itself, which I wanted to do. Well, what lid What storage? Lid. I have a lid. It belongs to somebody. I have a couple lids. A couple lids. Okay, we'll figure this out off camera. But here's your storage. Whoop, there we go. Has a lid. It screws on and off, which is nice instead of popping on and off. And we're going to see how much these fit, because that is the common question. How much do these fit? All right, I still have a lid. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. So 50 here, 50 here, I believe. Let me double check. 96 bead storage. So that would be 45 would be 90, 48. Yes, 48. 48. So yes. 48 here, 48 here. I'll put this in here. You then undo your lid. And this could be good for if you do beadwork. I also know you can buy more of these drawers and you can stack them even taller. So down here, it's got a ridge. This fits in here so it doesn't slide off. You can buy more of these and they stack. This comes completely off. I think. Maybe not. I think you just stack them. Okay, yeah, you just stack them. So you buy another one of these and you just stack. What do I know? It's brand new to me. It's brand new. You can use these to write on and put on top of these little things, or you have your own labels. You can put your own labels on here. And we're going to now figure out how much does this hold. All right, so I have a bunch of stuff right here. So we have this bag right here, and it says it's 18 grams. So we're going to see, does it hold 18.48333333 grams? All right. Looks like you need 2 of these. And why am I pounding it? It just kind of gets all the drills down, whoops, where they need to be. Oop. Come on, little guy. So this one can hold some more. So I'm thinking each one of these holds roughly 9 grams of drills. All right, so that's the little baggy version. Now let's look at, I have some here. Another company who does Here's all my spare drills here. All right, so this is your average size bag. And we're going to try and see how many drills fit in here. Because I don't estimate grams for these. So it looks like each one of these, again, if you have a large package, you're going to need 2, which is fine with me. Fine with me. All right, so then they can go in here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, here's another lid. All right, so I hope that helps you know, which is really nice because if you have almost 100 of these and you have a painting that has 68 colors, you will be able to fill them up quite nicely, even if you have to use double, right? Because you're not going to need to use double everything. Now, if you want a storage unit like this, go check artdot.com. I have the link down below for you. I would definitely recommend this. If you're an avid diamond painter, you will probably want to pick up a couple because I love that they can stack. So you can have 4 or 5 drawers tall. You can have it like right in front of you as you're doing your diamond painting. One thing I would recommend is maybe on the front. If you have, you could have a drawer per kit and you could have the kit's name, or if you have 2 drawers for a kit, you could have, DMC code 150 through, 800, and then the next drawer you could have 800 through whatever. You could also use these to store your special drills. Let me see here. I have right here these sparklers right here. I have nowhere to put them. And so this would be something fun that you could put all your special drills in this drawer as well. And they fit beautifully. Look at that. All of those sparklers fit in one of these. So you could definitely put a lot of specials here. A lot of ABs, sparklers, whatever you want in these drawers. Up here, what can you do with this here? You can put your washi tapes. You can line them up all right here if you want. You could put your different units here, what you use. Let's see, what else? Where's my diamond painting pen? You have your diamond painting pens in here. You can have your lovely trays here ready for use. All the fun stuff. You could definitely fill up this top, or you can put, if you're using specials for a certain kit, you could put your specials here, like the ABs that you're using, and you can pull from those if you want. Lots of fun things that you can do with the top of this unit. So go check it out. Can't wait to see your kit ups involving Art Dot Storage. They have a bunch of other storage units as well. Check them out. I can't wait to see what's on your desk. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Don't forget to like this video because there may be more solutions coming your way. Until next time, bye-bye.